What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, your boy done received his functioning form coilovers, baby. These are the type 1s. They also sent some extra goodies in there too, so once you get this bad boy unboxed, I'll show you what all I got. But me and the homie Fred is gonna bust down this install video for you guys. I haven't hung out with Fred in a minute. Came over and was like, yo, let's install this at the crib, and he got good garage space, big car garage, 2-car garage. So we got better lighting over there. I don't have to worry about my neighbors. I know how it go. We got HOA and all that. Y'all hear me. So when we get to Fred's house, we're gonna unbox these bad boys and get to work. Made it to Fred's place safe and sound. A little quick update on Fred's car before we get started. The boy got a Dept sport splitter with the shark wings, I like to call them, on it. The winglets. Looks pretty good. That boy Fred is clean, boy, and that beautiful always Florida weather where it's sunny and it just looks catastrophic. Oh, you can see the rain over there. Alright, so time to unbox this John and see what your boy got. Limited warranty information, install instructions, license plate frame, coilover keys, sticker, lanyard, stickers, and the most important, LED headlights. That's pretty cool. They just came out with these. This is awesome. I got some window banners here, and the mother load are functioning form type 1 coilovers. So we're gonna be installing these today with the help of Mr. EJ8, Mr. Fred in the building. I would say my man, but
no fire.
Yeah, I can't do that with Fred. You gotta watch what I say this entire install. But we got everything we need. We got all the hardware needed for replacing our factory bolts with the new ones. Well, not bolts, but nuts. So we're good to go. Time to jack it up on all fours, get the wheels removed, front and rear, and
do not jump up my camera, you gotta raise it.
Oh. All right.
You deal with jump, yeah?
We gotta raise up the car using the what we call that?
The raising mechanism.
The raising mechanism. Fred is gonna tackle the passenger side of the vehicle, and I'm gonna do the right side of the vehicle. And yeah, you guys see me do this many of times installing coilovers, so let's go. Damn, that looks good. Dump. That shit look good though. I wanna pick. How good is it? Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna rub that right there. Oh yeah. The back is perfect. And the crazy thing about this is the stock setting from Function and Form. We didn't adjust nothing. This is how it comes straight out the box. Jesus. That looks good. Well, it doesn't rub too bad, but wow, that looks good. God damn. That's crazy. Alright, so real quick, Fred's gonna help me change out my pedals. Oh, they're probably in the back of the trunk, but we're gonna do a pedal swap. I got roasted too much on my pedal, dog, so go ahead and just swap this out. Shout out to my man Dylan for coming in clutch, man. He's local. He hit me up and said, yo, I got it, and he had it. So Dylan, thank you, bro. Very much appreciated. Now, let me just fast forward through all this so we can jump back to the stance mobile. We going from ashy to classy. Yeah. Gang. Alright, so before I close out this video, let's give you guys a quick walk around of Yumi. Man, looks great. God, I'm still shooting in manual mode, but that's it. She's lowered, bro. I wish I could take off the spoiler, but underneath that trunk is disgusting. So what I want to do is actually buy a new black trunk and a 99 to 2000 rear bumper. And I'm gonna keep the front end in 96 to 98. I like the way it looks with the SIR lip. And yes, if you're wondering, it is a replica lip, but man, with the SIs, goes so hard. That looks amazing. Love it. And scene. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching my artwork. What? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys are looking to get your own set of function and form coilovers for your vehicle, I do have a discount code for you guys. It is Zosh19, all capitalization of them letters, at f2autolife.com. And then you too can be a part of the F2 gang. You know what I mean? Come join the gang with your been on. Of who? Huge thank you to Function and Form for always having my back and supporting me with all my projects that I get. I only had like 3 cars, but thank you guys. I've been on Function and Form coilovers since 2014 when I first had my Civic. I had an EG coupe, if you guys don't know. And ever since then, man, I just been always on Function and Form coilovers. I like the ride quality. I love the customer support, which is a big factor for me. And I love the warranty program that they have, man. It's just a dope company to work with, and I'm so grateful that I'm actually able to work with them, man. All thanks to the homie Preston. My man Preston, man, that's my dude. But to wrap up everything, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, could you please leave a like on the video, comment down below your thoughts on this video and what coilovers you run on your vehicle and why. Thanks again to Function and Form for sponsoring this video. I would assume they would, you know what I mean? I just love you guys. Thank you, baby. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm gone. Peace. What?